why your PC is slow.
Enemy spotted.
You know, something is funny. Many people blame their processor when their computer becomes very, very slow. Meanwhile, the real problem is sometimes the storage.
What?
Today, HDD versus SSD. HDD equals hard disk drive. It's the whole type of storage. It uses spinning disks and a moving arm to read files physically.
Bruh.
That means every time you open apps, games or files, the disk has to spin and search for them. That's why older computers feel slow. Now, SSD, solid state drive, changed everything. No moving parts, everything is electronic, which means your computer can access files almost instantly. HDD may take 1 or 2 minutes to boot, but SSD sometimes up to 15 seconds, if I'm not mistaken. Apps open faster, games load faster, video editing feels smoother, even old laptops suddenly feels new. Another difference is that HDDs make noise because of the spinning disk, while SSDs are silent. If a HDD fails while spinning, it can damage your files physically. But SSDs are more durable because nothing is moving inside. Now, let's be honest. SSDs are faster, but HDDs are still cheaper for storing large files like movies, backups, and archives. But if you want speed, SSD, no debate, no question, no doubt. And here's the shocking part. A weak processor with an SSD can sometimes feel faster than a powerful processor using HDD.